All right, number 1. It says, Mary goes to the pool every morning to practice. What is the best estimate of the amount of water that is in the pool? Okay, so we're estimating about how much water is in a pool. So when we estimate about liquid, we're seeing how much liquid could fit inside of something. We need to make sure, first of all, that we're using the right units. So if you look at your pink sheet or your reference sheet, this is length. So anything in this column is measuring how long something is, how big something is, and the length of it. Volume and capacity is when we think about liquids. It could be more than just liquids itself, but we think more liquidy. In this particular section, we're looking for water, so that is a liquid. And the last one is like how heavy something is. How heavy or light, it's the weight of it. So for this particular question, we want to see how much water is in the pool. So we're looking at liquid. We're not looking how long the water is. We're not looking how heavy the water is. We're looking how much fits in the pool. So we need to be either measuring in one of these units. So if I look at A says grams. When I look back at my sheet, grams is how heavy something is. So I don't want to pick that answer because that is the weight. And we're not looking for weight. Liters. Liters is the liquid. And if you think of capacity, so that's possibly the answer. Centimeters. Centimeters is at the top of our sheet under the length, how long something is. So that can't be our answer. And liters again is liquid. All right? So we should have known that liters is like a water bottle, a little bit bigger than a water bottle. So if I was to take 60 water bottles and dump it out, would that fill up a pool? Probably not. Maybe a kiddie pool, but this is a pool that she practices in, so it has to be a pretty big pool. Or would I take 6,000 water bottles and dump it in and fill up a pool? That seems like a better estimate of filling up a pool. So the answer is D.